How do I set extra options for a WMS layer in ipyleaflet? I can retrieve and set a WMS layer with the code below, but I'd like to pass some extra options to the server, in particular, to use a log scale and set a color scale range. The WMS layer constructor takes an options argument, but this is required to be a list of Unicode strings, and I'm not able to set the values corresponding to arguments. That is, I can pass options equals log scale, as below, but trying to set it to true or false, fail, with variants tried such as options equals log scale, true, or options equals log scale equals true. Examining the arguments sent to the server, the JS console will show errors, shows that log scale is used, but always set to be undefined. That is, something like, https://some server.domain.tld/threads/wms/somefile.nc?service equals WMS and request equals ... and log scale equals undefined and ... How do I pass values for the extra options in the WMS layer constructor? Is there indeed a way to get extra options with their values from ipyleaflet to the underlying leaflet.js?
You can subclass WMS layer to add a new option like so. Then instead of using ipyleaflet.WMS layer, you use your subclass WMS layer custom. And the resulting URL will contain the options keyword argument isn't documented and it doesn't seem it can be used to set additional options. I have also noted that any keyword argument is accepted in the constructor as the WMS layer class inherits from haystraits in the traitlets module. Setting the argument options equals log scale simply overrides the options attribute of the WMS layer instance. For example, if you call you get an URL with and layers equals and ... and transparent equals false and ... which are the default for the layer and transparent options, thereby ignoring layers equals WMS underscore layers 0, and transparent equals true in the call to WMS layer.
I chciał wam to CMORE, teraz są Schuberts streaming.